Hi and welcome back to another video on my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a get ready with me for a kind of like a photo shoot because I need a good picture, a good professional picture for my job applications. And first, before I start this video with all the styling, I'm gonna wash my hair and do my skincare routine, and I'm going to change my clothes. So see you then. And here we are. I'm ready. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with eyeshadow because I think I don't need a lot and I want to do like a natural makeup look. For real now, I don't really know what I should do right now, but I'm just like randomly just do things. I still want to be like natural and like not too much. And even my natural makeup look that I uploaded like a week ago is already a little bit too much, I would do for today. I'm gonna brush through it because I don't know, every time I'm doing my eyebrows it just looks like this and it looks too much, and I'm just like every time trying to brush it out. I'm using some concealer to go all over my eyebrows to define them. I look so funny, what the hell. I'm gonna use a little bit more powder today because I don't know, like I've never done a makeup for like photo shooting except for like once, but that wasn't on me and I just like needed to do like a natural makeup. That was like over a year ago and I actually was kind of like a model for this. I love to do this. I'm also gonna use this product here to fix my brows so they'll stay in place. As you can see, I have a lot of like red spots here from my pimples, and I'm gonna use color correction to kind of like make it go away because I don't want it to like shine over like the foundation I'm gonna use. So I'm just going over the red spots, and yeah, I feel like the masks that I wear every day because I go to school and I need to have my masks on, they make me break out because most of my pimples are like here, and what do I have here? My mask, obviously, and or else just like here, like normal pimples. I mean, everyone has pimples, but I'm trying to get away from them. I'm blending this so the blue won't shine through because we don't want blue to shine through.
Hi, sorry, it's me from editing. I just wanted to say I don't mean blue, I actually mean green, because the color correction color for the red spots is green. I am sorry. So every time I say blue, I mean green. I'm so sorry.
Not even red. So yeah, I have red cheeks. What is this? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna blend this out with my beauty sponge, like just lightly, so we won't just like rub it away. Just like don't rub, just like point. So now that I covered these red spots up, I'm just gonna use concealer again, and I'm putting it on my hand, and I'm gonna use my fingertip to go over these like spots that I tried to cover up. I'm sure most of y'all have seen this challenge on TikTok where she puts like foundation here and then she just rubs it in her face. I don't know what to say to this, but her skin looks amazing for that. She like literally rubs it in. And I'm gonna blend this out. Wow, that was a lot, but now this is the final result of this color correction. I actually love it because it's not that extremely red anymore as like before, but yeah. Oh, powder. Because girl, I don't want to shine through this city with a little fucking soap today. For the next step, I'm going to use powder, and I'm going all over the spots where I put the color correction on. It's just for the safety to like be sure that everything like stays in place. This is actually everything I use for like foundation. I just use the concealer, but I mean it's okay as well. I just wanted to be sure that like the pimples and all like the bad spots I have in my face, that they're gone and just disappear. And they actually did, but in the camera it looks better than in real life. I'm actually still gonna put little dots under my eye because they're still not like really covered up. And yeah, I'm also gonna fix this, and I'm gonna use the white powder to just highlight my under eye as well as my chin and the tip of my nose and a little bit for my forehead. I'm gonna use this brush for my contour, and I'm going in the lightest shade because since I'm very pale, it would just look like dirt if I would like use a darker shade. We're gonna blend it upwards. I'm also gonna contour my jawline, and for the perfect jawline contour, you need to like go under the jawline and not like on the jawline, under, to get the natural perfect shape. But you need to make sure that you blend it well so there's like not big of a difference from like your neck color and your jawline color. I'm also going to use a smaller brush to contour my nose because you want to be snatched. I hope this wasn't too much. I'm actually trying a new kind of like nose shape to contour because I've seen a lot of like nose contouring online, or like in general, like just contouring, and people just go down and then go here. As like, I don't know if that would look good on me because like the way I've been doing it is like just perfect. Like when I do this, I know it would look so weird, but yeah, I'm kind of trying it like the new what I found out and like just the main that I regularly do. I actually kind of need to hurry up, so I'm just gonna like speed it up a little bit. I hate it when I need to hurry while I'm doing my makeup, so I'm just gonna blend it out. So oh my god. I'm going back to my powder, and I'm gonna use like this color, which is like perfect for my skin color. And I'm going here and here, and the next step is gonna be eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do much for my eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna use a little bit of glitter. And okay, it's creasing. And like I saw a makeup look that I did like a few months ago, and I saw this randomly, and I was like, oh wow, how did I do this? And then I was like, oh, that was a glitter for sure. And as you can see, I'm just gonna blend it out as good as I can to just like get not like the color but the glitter. Actually I want to blend my contour a bit since it's like kind of extreme for me. That's why I just need to look at more contour tutorials because I am not a pro either, you know? I'm just doing YouTube videos because of fun, because I want to share my makeup looks. I'm gonna use a little bit more glitter. I'm gonna use the same brush I used for my nose contour and go into like a brown shade. So just like go underneath and get get a little bit more eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a wing with my eyeliner and I'm just gonna make a little eyeliner, a little. Like this. It's cute. I'm gonna use a tiny little brush and go into black and just trying to go over my eyeliner I just did. I'm also gonna put some glitter in my inner corner of the eye because I love glitter and it just looks cute. And oh wow, I can't see a lot. Why? She's Dior. That's literally Dior, but why? I'm gonna use a highlighter in this palette and I'm just gonna grab a pencil and put more highlighter in the inner corner. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then I'm gonna put on mascara. So I'm gonna go just like this. This mascara is literally perfect because it looks natural and it looks like something's on my eyelashes, but it also looks natural. Love that. I'm also going to use on my bottom lashes, but not much since my bottom lashes are very long and I just want to like make like these lashes pop more than the bottom lashes. So I am okay with this look. It looks okay, but I just kind of hate that contour. Oh my gosh. I need to stress now, cause girl. Okay. I also gotta do my hair, and I need to go soon. Okay. I'll get this. I'm just gonna, as you can see, highlighter on my brow bone, the fuck, and here. Took my nose, use my this, as well as here, a little bit here, so I can just blend it. For lips, I'm gonna use a lipstick. It's like very natural. It's this color. I'm just gonna pop it on. And then I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty lip balm. I'm just going to pop it on enough to shine. And now I gotta do my hair and I'll be right back. So I gotta go soon, like right now, and this is the look and my hair. I hope you like this video, even though for like a little bit mess, because it's not perfect, but yeah, I hope you like this and see you in my next video. Bye.